What happens if you combine Ace Mcdougal and Jeff the Killer? Well, I got the result for that. Boom! Ace the Killer. Hmm. It seems like you've been playing way too much Among Us. Is that why you have the sus smile? Huh, Ace? You became addicted to Among Us?
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
Why are you making imposter accounts out of my friends? Huh?
Hey, sus. You sussy boy.
Also, you look like the kid from Big Mouth. Are you the kid from Big Mouth? He has like a green shirt, brown hair, some big glasses. I think his name starts with an A. I think. You do look like the kid from Big Mouth. Sussy boy Ace. Bum bum. Okay, I'll stop singing right there. Man, is it just me or is it getting hot in here? I should probably turn on the AC on. Haha, get it? Ace C? Guess your name is Ace? Haha, okay, that was a bad joke, I'll admit. I regret making this drawing. It's creepy, and I'm gonna have nightmares for this too.